All right, y'all. So here's where we left off. I went and picked my son's truck up right there. It's broke down. Like I said, I'm gonna fix it for him. I made a little video of that, and on the way back, I started feeling bad. I dropped it right there. Turns out I had COVID. So I don't know, been a week or so. Anyway, felt pretty bad. That's why I made a couple. I don't know if y'all seen them. I made a couple canning videos. So right now, everything is left just where it was. Okay, what I got? I got 2003 Dodge truck. As I said, it's my son's. This was my father's truck. I don't know if Chris inherited it, bought it from my mama. Either way, it's his truck now, and I'm gonna put lifters in it. These trucks have a problem with lifters. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking right now. I'm just gonna jump in and just start turning wrenches. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking right now. I'm just gonna jump in and start turning wrenches. We're gonna start on this side and work our way over. Okay, now I got updates. I took the valve covers off. All you really got to do is just remove the wiring harness, the power steering reservoir, the oil fill cap, fuel line, some vacuum hoses. It's not too bad. All right, now what we're going after are these lifters down here. I bought this tool. You don't have to have it, but it sure helps. It's like $15 on Amazon. I mean, it's not much to it. First, on this side. Watch this cam. I gotta get the heel up on the cam so I can pull the rocker arm out. And I like to get it all the way up. I could probably do it right there. I'm just fine, but I like to do it all the way up. I'm just gonna clip this around, hook it on the valve spring. I'll push the valve down, pull the rocker arm out. Okay, I got new rocker arms and new lifters. This lifter should pop right out, just like that. Over here I got new lifters and new rockers. Chris already had them soaking in oil. He got them in a bucket of oil right there, which is not a bad idea. This lifter's gonna go right back in the hole. And putting the rocker in, just a little bit tricky, but not bad. Get the tool out of the way. Some people can just pop them in with a screwdriver. I come in from the top. Everything's oily, so it's hard to hold on to. Yeah, I just did one for practice. It went much better off camera. If you ever make videos, you'll see. You want something to give you a hard time, try doing it on video. All right. Okay, I think. Okay, for one thing, I'm putting the rocker in backwards. It's not helping my situation any. Tell you what, where's my screwdriver? That's the easiest way to put them back in, I reckon. Just pop them in there with a screwdriver like that. And that's pretty much it. Of course, I got to do that on all of them. I'll set you up on a tripod, and maybe we'll do a time lapse or something. But that's how you put rockers in a 4.7.